Finally found your laughing place. How come you aren't laughing?
Mr. Toad, where are you going with your motor car? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Right down the middle of Main Street, USA. Aloha, social media lights. We are here at the last few hours of existence for Splash Mountain here at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida.
Stop jumping around, you'll run out of breath. Why don't you sit back and calm yourself? You can carry on now if you must. Really what we like us. That's the task. Time to get moving along. I'm looking for a little more than a little bit of fun. I'm looking for
Going so good.
time to be running along. Time to be running around. Yes, there are that make you raise your head for trouble one of these days.
Look yonder, there goes Good Rabbit, being chased by Blair Fox and Blair Bear, as usual. Look yonder,
Hey y'all, hold up there.
a lot better places to go home. Take a small and for a while, and you'll find
What are you doing, Red Fox? Let it go! Where are you taking me, Red Fox? Let it go!
Finally found your laughing place. How come you aren't laughing?
It's the truth, it's the truth, it's actual, everything is satisfaction. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay, wonderful feeling, wonderful day. Zippity-doo-dah, zippity-yay, home sweet home is the lesson today. My, oh my, for the bread and the fry patch, and I'm here to stay. I'm through with moving on now.
I'm going to tell a quick story because I did actually work at Splash Mountain for, those people are excited. Yeah, give it up! I worked at Splash Mountain for just a couple of days after 9/11. So was working at Body Wars at Epcot, which is also now closed, when 9/11 happened. And right after 9/11, of course, tourism industry took a huge hit. The parks were a ghost town for the most part. So anyone with less than 4 years seniority at Epcot was mandatorily transferred here to the Magic Kingdom. I was selected to work here at Splash Mountain. And it wasn't my first choice, to be honest with you. I wanted to work at the Jungle Cruise to be a skipper. But unfortunately, they did not give you a choice in the matter. So Splash Mountain it was. Was kind of bitter. So anyways, I was training at Splash Mountain and was going to one of the call boxes to call in the number of boats. Got bit by a spider in one of the call boxes. So I went to health services at Epcot, and while I was there to get my spider bite checked out, the place is surrounded by a SWAT team, and we were detained there. Someone had opened a package with white powder that exploded, and so there was an anthrax here, essentially. As I was trying to cross over to get to the place where you can clock out, parade started coming by, and it was delayed again. And that's when I just said, you know what, I'm calling it a day. Peace out, Mickey Mouse. I appreciate your time. And I quit. And I did not give them 2 weeks notice. So follow up to the first time, a couple years later, that I actually rode Splash Mountain again. And I ran into a coworker from Body Wars who had transferred over with me. She was still there at the attraction. And she recognized me, said hello, and then she went ahead and told the other employees, hey, this is the guy that got bit by a spider and then never showed back up to work. So apparently I'm legendary, at least in my own mind, here at Splash Mountain. But anyways, yeah, that's my connection to this beautiful attraction. Closing forever in just a couple hours. So thanks for going down memory lane. Remember, as Uncle Ramus said, you can't run away from trouble. There ain't no place that far. Peace out, social media life. Mr. Toad, where are you going with your motor car? Zoom, zoom, zoom. Right down the middle of Main Street, USA. Oh, Toady. You crazies. Wind in the willow, you. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Motor car.